In this video, we will take a closer look at the topic of warehouse management. The SAP Warehouse Management Module, or WM for short, is part of the logistics area and serves as a key component within this area. Warehouse management refers to the systematic administration and control of all warehouse processes within a company. Warehouse management encompasses not only the physical storage of goods, but also the organizational workflows, such as managing put-away strategies, planning picking processes, or coordinating with transportation logistics. The goal of warehouse management is to provide employees and managers with the necessary information regarding goods movements within the warehouse, as well as to control, optimize, and automate warehouse-related processes. Its functions include managing goods movements related to core warehouse processes such as inbound and outbound deliveries, planning and monitoring of goods movements and inventory levels, automated replenishment, and inventory functions that ensure book inventory matches the actual stock on hand. Another central aspect is the integration with other modules within SAP. The warehouse management system is closely linked with materials management, production planning, sales and distribution, and transportation processing. This integration ensures that all business areas always have access to up-to-date and consistent data. A well-implemented warehouse management system ensures that warehouse processes run not only smoothly, but also transparently and traceably. This means it is always possible to determine when goods were received, where they were stored, and how they left the warehouse. This traceability is essential not only for operational efficiency, but also for compliance with legal regulations and quality standards. In summary, effective SAP warehouse management enables transparent, efficient, and integrated control of all warehouse processes, providing the foundation for smooth operations, high inventory accuracy, and sustainable business decisions.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.